very pure, wrinkled and green. Okay, now they has to form gametes. They have to form gametes, and we know that gametes are having half number, so they will get half in their number, because gametes are half, so egg are in half and pollen are in half, so they will form. Okay, and they will form only these type of gamete. Okay, because they can go with each other. That means this R can go with this Y, and these R can go with this Y, or this Y can go with this, or this Y can go with this Y. If I will do this, there will be only one combination, that is R and Y. Okay, there cannot be new combination, so that I'm not writing any specific type of combination. And for father, okay, this Y can go with this R, or this Y can go with this R, or this R can go with this Y, or this R can go with this Y. But what is the meaning? Because they will not form any type of new combination because of their arrangement, gene arrangement. Okay, it is having very specific type of thing, that they will not form any new type of combination, and they are having half number. Okay, and they will, and now you know the pattern and how I crossed them. R R Y Y R R Y Y R R Y Y R R Y Y. Okay, that is F1 generation, and they are seeds because they are result of fertilization. Pollen to egg, they are results of fertilization, and they are seed, that is known as F1 generation. They all look same. Now I take one seed and I sow it. That means I will make it underground, and it is having the information, that is R R Y Y. Okay, with this information there will be flower, mother and father. Okay, both in same plant. Okay, same plant. Okay, this is the plant, and it is having both mother, and it is having flower. Okay, both mother and father, and they are having information of R R Y Y. Okay, now there is a selfing. Okay, what is selfing? I just take pollen from same plant on the stigma of same plant. Okay, that is known as self pollination. Okay, or sometimes we know it, this is know this as selfing. Okay, it is having that information. Okay, so mother is also having information and father is also having information. That is the information. Okay, but they has to form their gametes, so they need to be half. So that is mother, and it is having information of this, and he is father and he is having information of this, but mother has to produce egg and father has to produce pollen, so they has to reduce themselves. Now if I draw them in the form of chromosome, okay, you don't need to draw them in chromosome. I'm just drawing this to make you easier that how they things occur. Okay, just to make you easy, but otherwise if you know this, okay, you doesn't need to do this. Okay, now this R can go with this Y, or this Y can go with this R can go with this Y, or this Y can go with this R. Okay, same. This Y can go with this R can go with this Y can go with this, and can go with this. Okay, so there is so many type of combinations. That's why I wrote the combination RY, 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 and RY, and here RY, RY, RY and RY. Okay, because the gamete will be forming with very unique and special type of combinations. Okay, and they can go in combination. Okay, and after that the result is in front of you, that is F2 generation, and the ratio is 9 raised to 3 raised to 3 raised to 1. Okay, that is from NCERT. 9 raised to 3 raised to 3 raised to 1. 9 will like look this, 9 will 10, 3 will look like this, 3 will look like this, and 1 will look like this. So that is the information. Now what I really want to tell you, yeah, in this type of ratios. Okay, one thing we know that First law is that the law of dominance. Okay, despite of anything, the dominant will express. Okay, the dominant will express. First thing, that in this case, okay, in this case it will be round and green. Okay, and is the very specific case this one. Okay, that is RRYY. So it will look round and it will look yellow. Okay, it doesn't matter that it is having these two useless or less efficient thing. Okay, totally the external looking is depending upon the dominant. Okay, so first law is known as the law of dominance. First law is the law of dominance. Okay. Now the second law, which is the second law is known as the law of segregation or separation. Segregation or separation. Okay, what is the meaning of separation or segregation? That when we studied about this, their parents are like this, or they're having something is like having this type of information. Okay, this is a parent and it is having information. It either it has to produce pollen or either it has to produce egg. Okay, this R can go with this Y. Okay, and again this Y can go with this R. Okay, and this R can go with this Y, or this Y can go with this R. Okay, so we found that there are these type of combinations. Yeah, Sally, ask me. Okay, they are totally different from their parents. You can see that when they will get half, okay, they will get half. I'm just telling you about the combinations. Okay, so this is known as, yeah, I'm telling you about. So these are getting separated. Doesn't mean that capital R has to go with capital Y and small r has to go with small y, or a dominant can go with dominant, or dominant recessive has to go with a recessive. It doesn't matter. Okay, here it is dominant, it is dominant, it is dominant, it is recessive, it is recessive, it is dominant, and it is recessive and it is recessive. Okay, so you can see that dominant and recessive can go with each other and they can separate easily. That's why it is known as the law of separation. Okay, and same rule, okay, in another term is known as law of independence. Okay, it is also known as the law of independence, yeah, or independent assortment. Independence, or some people also say independent assortment. Okay, because they are independent. That means, what is the meaning of independence? That they are independent. These are and these Y, and these are and these Y. Okay, they are forming very, very, very unique and different type of combination. Okay, now this is dominant, this is dominant, this is dominant, this is recessive, this is recessive. Wait. Yeah, this is recessive, this is recessive, this is dominant, this is recessive, and this is recessive. Okay, so they are independent also. That means this R is free to go with this and this R is go with this Y. Okay, so the law of segregation or separation is also known as independent. That means alleles are free to move. Any allele can go with another one. That's why we are having these huge criteria. Okay, they are different. We are having 4 different type of varieties. what are the 4 different type of varieties we are getting? Yeah, round yellow, round green, wrinkle yellow, and wrinkle green. These are 4 type of varieties we are getting, and they are free. Okay, so these laws are same. These 2 laws are law of segregation and law of independent assortment. They are just same law, okay, but in another manner. They can segregate, they can separate, and they can, if they are independent, they can go with anyone, doesn't matter that it has to go with particular this, okay, they can form various type of combination. Now the most important thing, that the parent you have, they have chosen, okay, the parent Mendel have chosen was, first of all, the parents were RRYY and RRYY. Okay, the parents, yeah, you can see the parents, you can see the parents, okay, round and yellow and wrinkle and green, okay, and okay, and in F2 generation, okay, that is F1 generation, and in F2 generation you got very new type of combinations that are 4, okay. So from parent, from beginning to parent, okay, uh the parent was total different, okay, but the progenies are total different. So they took like, they took like RRYY, RRYY. Okay. By their cross, they got F1. It was like RRYY. Okay. These are F1. And this, in this, we will have, this is a seed. Okay. For these, all seeds are like same. Okay. And when they sow them, and when we will, when sow them, and when we will get flower, okay, we will take same stigma. We will take pollen and egg from same. So we will take pollen and egg from the same flower, okay, that is known as selfing. So we will do selfing, or Mendel did selfing, okay, and after the selfing, okay, the result will be that 4 type of things, okay, the 4 type of thing, round yellow and round wrinkle and green yellow and green wrinkle, okay, that was F2 generation. Okay, so in this we got 4 varieties, 4 types, okay. So they are not exactly like parents, their parents were very pure, okay, but the result is very different, okay, their parents are something very different, okay, but the resultant are again different, that is for F2 generation, okay, that is F1 generation. It means that there is something that it is not very restricted to parents, that parents how the parents are, their children cannot be like this, okay, parents were very pure, okay, but the children's are something different, and the further children's, okay, they are, if they are grandparents, okay, they are their children's, and in F2 generation, okay, due to selfing, selfing means I'm not taking another, here I'm taking father, and here I'm taking, here I'm taking mother, and here I'm taking father, okay, but here I'm not taking 2 things from different plant, despite of this I'm taking pollen and uh pollen and egg from same plant, okay, but here I'm taking 2 different plants, okay, here I'm taking 2 different plants, but at the mid stage, that is what was our seed, I'm taking same plant, okay, here I'm taking 2 different plants, but at F1 stage I'm taking same plant and I'm doing same thing, that is known as selfing. Okay, you can also find the selfing, I will show you. Yeah, you can see that this is one parent, okay, and this is another parent, and at this particular stage you can see only one parent, okay, that is round yellow, but at this type round yellow, okay, why this? Because this is a one single parent. Why this is? Because it is by selfing. What is the meaning of selfing? That, yeah, at this time you're taking one, only one parent, okay, and in this step we are taking 2 parents. So one parent means the information is RRYY, and when a plant will grow with RRYY, it will develop female part and it will develop male part, Okay, and the pollen and egg is taken from same plant, that is at F1 stage. Okay, but at the beginning we are taking two plants. Okay, let me show you again, and from next turn I will start new chapter. Okay, here we are taking two separate plants. Okay, in F1 generation we get the resultant one, and this seed is, these four seeds are having this information that RR and YY, this type of information. After that there is selfing. Okay, what is selfing? When we sow this, okay, we will take father and mother from same plant. Okay, at first step I'm taking two different plants, or Mender took two different plants, you can see. Okay, don't get confused, because as they are two different plants, that's why they are having two different type. Okay, one plant is having round and yellow, and another plant is having wrinkle and green. Okay, but when we have seed, and as we know that pea is bisexual, bisexual means pea is having both male and female. So at this step, okay, this single seed will produce male and female. At same plant, flowers are having both anther and stigma, anther and pistil at same time, and we are taking father and mother from same plant. Remember, that's why they are same. Okay, you can see RRYY pattern, and you can see RRYY pattern. Okay, so why these patterns are very same? You can see the patterns are very same because father and mother got selected from a single pea plant. Okay, these plant, these progeny, okay, these all seeds are same, and they will be father and mother. When I will sow this underground, then they will develop into whole plant, and this whole plant is having the information, same information for mother and same information for father. Okay, but at previous stage I took two different plants, so you can see the information is totally vary. You can see the information that is round and yellow, and it is round and green and wrinkled. So remember, same thing. Okay, same thing occurred in monohybrid cross. Okay, that if you are taking two different plants, okay, if you are taking two different plants, then it means, that means they are two different plants. One can be father and one can be mother. Okay, but if you are taking this thing, okay, this is father and this is mother, it means that they are from same plant, so they are different plants. Okay, but in this case this plant is having both male and female part, and I am using male and female part from same plant. So you can see the information, and on the basis of information you can see that how the mother and father are taking place. Remember, mother and father from different plants are having different information, and mother and father from same plant are having very same information. Same thing occurred with our P. Okay, now I hopefully you are not having any doubt, and if you have, don't hesitate me to ask, because we are here for study. Okay, okay, see the different information, but here, okay, this diagram from book is not sufficient, it is very less, and I don't know why they gave us, because this is not very sure. Okay, you can see the same information, you can again see the same information. Okay, that is they are from same plant. Okay, I'm taking mother and father from same plant, but if they are having different information, that means they are from two different plants, mother and father. Okay, I'm finishing my class. If you have any doubt, then don't hesitate me to ask. Okay, and we will continue tomorrow with new chapter, that is periodic classification. Okay.